Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your budgeting techniques with Capital One step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Capital One account through the app or website. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various budgeting tools available to you. Select the feature that allows you to set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial objectives clearly. Input specific amounts and deadlines for each goal. Review the spending analysis section to understand your current spending habits. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses to meet your financial goals. Set up alerts for when you're nearing your budget limits. Consider using categories to track different types of expenses more effectively. Regularly monitor your progress within the app. Adjust your budget as necessary to align with changes in your financial situation. Use the data and insights provided by Capital One to inform your spending decisions. Evaluate your financial goals periodically to ensure they remain relevant. Engage with the educational resources offered by Capital One for advanced budgeting techniques. Seek advice from financial experts or community forums if you need additional guidance. Celebrate milestones when you successfully meet your budgeting goals. Continuously refine your budgeting approach based on what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.